Have you ever found yourself in a place where you felt lost, even amidst familiar surroundings? The story of the two disciples on the road to Emmaus, as recorded in Luke chapter 24, verse 16, is a profound narrative that resonates with many of us. In this video, we'll explore the deeper theological implications of this passage, uncover the layers of meaning hidden within, and discover how this ancient story can speak to our modern lives. A journey of confusion and revelation. In Luke chapter 24, verse 16, we read, "But their eyes were kept from recognizing him." This seemingly simple verse carries a wealth of meaning about spiritual blindness, divine intervention, and the transformative power of faith. As we unpack this narrative, we'll see how it reflects our own spiritual journeys and the quest for understanding in times of doubt. The context of the story. Before diving into the theological implications, it's essential to understand the context. The disciples were walking away from Jerusalem after witnessing the crucifixion of Jesus. Their hopes were dashed. The Messiah they believed in had been killed, and they were left grappling with despair and confusion. As they walked, they were engaged in deep conversation, reflecting on the events that had transpired. This context mirrors many of our own experiences. Life can throw unexpected challenges our way, leaving us feeling lost and unsure of our faith. When we are engulfed in doubt, our ability to see God's presence and purpose can be obscured, just as it was for these disciples. Insights from Luke chapter 24, verse 16. The phrase "their eyes were kept from recognizing him" speaks volumes about the nature of spiritual blindness. It illustrates how our circumstances can cloud our vision, preventing us from seeing the truth of God's presence in our lives. This blindness is not merely physical, it is deeply spiritual. Think of times in your life when you felt disconnected from God. During these periods, you may have struggled to perceive His guidance or love. This is a universal experience for believers, echoing the struggles of the disciples on the road to Emmaus. The fact that the disciples did not recognize Jesus until later in their journey signifies divine intervention at play. It was only when Jesus chose to reveal himself that their eyes were opened. This reinforces the idea that understanding spiritual truths often requires divine assistance. In Matthew chapter 16, verse 17, Jesus tells Peter that flesh and blood did not reveal his true identity to him, but rather his Father in heaven. This highlights that spiritual insights are granted by God, not solely by human reasoning.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.
As the two disciples discussed their doubts and fears, they were not alone. Their companionship played a crucial role in their eventual understanding. The journey to Emmaus illustrates the importance of community in our faith. Sharing our struggles with others can lead to revelation and encouragement. Engaging in fellowship with fellow believers provides the support needed to navigate challenging spiritual landscapes. Just as the disciples leaned on each other, we too should seek the comfort of community. Questions and answers, reflecting on our spiritual journeys. As we reflect on Luke chapter 24, verse 16, several questions arise that can deepen our understanding of our spiritual journeys. Why were the disciples unable to recognize Jesus? It was because their grief and confusion created a barrier to their spiritual perception. This teaches us that emotional turmoil can hinder our ability to see God's truth. How does this story speak to our modern-day struggles? Many of us face periods of doubt and uncertainty, feeling as if God is distant. The road to Emmaus encourages us to remain open to His presence and seek community for support. Practical applications for everyday life. Embrace your doubts. Just as the disciples expressed their confusion, do not shy away from sharing your doubts and struggles with trusted friends or mentors. Engage in conversations that challenge your understanding of faith, allowing space for growth and revelation. Seek God in the ordinary. Recognize that encounters with God can happen in the most unexpected places. The disciples met Jesus on a familiar road, reminding us to look for Him in our daily lives. Whether in nature, conversations, or prayer, be open to seeing His presence. The power of revelation. As the narrative unfolds, we see that Jesus eventually reveals Himself to the disciples. This moment of recognition is profound. It signifies that spiritual blindness can be overcome, and our understanding can be illuminated. For example, in John chapter 9, we read about a man born blind who received sight from Jesus. This miracle mirrors the spiritual awakening that happens when we come to recognize Jesus in our lives. Just as the blind man's eyes were opened, so too can our spiritual eyes be opened when we seek Christ earnestly. The significance of breaking bread. An important moment in the Emmaus narrative occurs when Jesus breaks bread with the disciples. This act is not just about sharing a meal, it symbolizes fellowship and communion with Christ. Communion is a profound expression of our relationship with Jesus. It reminds us of His sacrifice and the covenant we share with Him. The act of breaking bread signifies the opening of our spiritual eyes to the truth of who He is. The story of the disciples on the road to Emmaus encapsulates several essential truths about the Christian faith. Spiritual blindness. We all face moments of doubt and confusion that can obscure our vision of God. Divine intervention. Recognizing Jesus requires God's revelation and our openness to His presence. Community support. Engaging with fellow believers enriches our understanding and nurtures our faith. Ultimately, Luke chapter 24 verse 16 points to Jesus as the answer to our doubts and despair. He is the one who opens our eyes, brings us hope, and transforms our lives. Final thoughts. As we navigate our spiritual journeys, let us remember the lessons from the road to Emmaus. Embrace your doubts, seek God in your everyday life, and lean on your community of faith. The story invites us to remain open to the revelations that God has for us, reminding us that He is always present, even when we fail to recognize Him. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.